I'm Jacob Helmrick with the agency by Tariq El Musa, powered by eXp Realty, and today I wanted to cover how to save for a house. So the first thing you'll want to do is calculate your down payment. So determine the price of the home you would like to purchase and then figure out how much down you're going to put on that home. So after you have your down payment, you have one piece of the equation down. You'll also want to account for your other closing costs that you're responsible for when purchasing a home. Now, these costs are going to vary depending on the home you purchase and what type of loan you get, but your lender and your realtor will be able to help guide you through this process to figure out what this amount will be. While the amount may not be an exact number, they'll be able to give you a ballpark so that you could get moving onto step number 3 for saving for your home. And this third step is going to be to increase the amount of money you're saving. Now, this probably sounds obvious, but I wanted to give you a couple pointers on how you can do this. The number one thing I like to do is have money pulled out automatically that goes into a savings account. This way, I'm not seeing that money and I'm not tempted to spend it, and it's just like it's not there. Over time, this money will continue to build up and it's going to help you reach your goal of purchasing a house. Now, right along with your increased savings is going to be decreasing your spending temporarily. Look for any ways that you could cut your budget. This could be things like cutting back the amount of times you go out to eat per week or cutting out your extra movie dates. So I know you may be accustomed to doing these things, but if you're looking to purchase a house, it may be important to cut back on things for a little bit so that you can build towards your goal of purchasing a house. So just endure through the short pain for that long-term gain. Another way to increase your savings temporarily would be to increase your income. Now, there's a variety of ways to do this, but the most common one would be to just pick up a side hustle. Whether it's DoorDash, Uber, or delivering pizzas at night, there's many jobs that are hiring, and you can go get some extra cash that you can stash away to help you purchase your home. And finally, the last tip I have on how you can save for a house would be to cut out any major expenses. Yes, I know you may love going on vacation, but if you can help it, taking that money that was saved for vacation and putting that into your house fund is going to really help you speed up the amount of time that is needed to save for your home. So there you have it. There's some ways that you can start saving for your home. If you have any questions on these steps or the process of getting started into your new home, feel free to click the link below and schedule a complimentary strategy session with me. I'll be sure to get you connected with a trusted lending specialist, which will be able to tell you exactly what your down payment amount and closing costs could look like. Together, we'll be able to guide you from A to Z through the transaction, answering any questions you have. If you're looking to save thousands of dollars on the purchase of your next home, click that link below and schedule a complimentary strategy session. We'll see you on the other side.